What is the condition in Israel right now?
The what? The not good. מה המצב כאילו בישראל? Not good.
So, what do you think about Benjamin Netanyahu? He is passed away?
He's what? No, he doesn't. He is alive. He didn't die.
He's alive, but why he not come in the public place?
Cause I don't know. Because he's one.
What do you think about Palestine? They are good?
No, no. It's such a thing. People.
You love
There is no
Palestine
such a
people?
thing. Palestine didn't or don't exist. They not good people because they kill my people first.
Israel also in Gaza.
No. Listen. I will explain to you.
Okay.
Our army didn't kill any children that in the 7th of October they came, the Gaza people, they came and just kids, kids, babies, mothers, fathers, everyone without any reason. And our army and our people, the army, kill only the bad people that family.
It's not true.
They
because
come here
you
and
are bombing in
don't-
Gaza. Israel bombing in Gaza. And so many
What?
innocent people are died in this war.
Yes, but the army didn't kill them. They didn't want to kill innocent kid. The Gaza army or Hamas kill innocent people from Israel, but the army of Israel didn't kill innocent people from Gaza.
Yeah. Who?
They killed just the Hamas people.
Who told you that? It's not true.
Yes, it is. We know what our country did and what didn't do.
Okay.
What people tell you on the news isn't always true. They show only bad things about us, but it ain't true.
This is not true.
We are not animals like Hamas. We are good people. Good people that takes care of each other. We don't do such things.
My family is איך קוראים לזה? בצבא.
In the army.
In the army, they know, and I know, and she know.
Yeah.
And
every kid, סליחה, תסיימי.
They come here and kill us. You
Without
don't understand because you don't hear.
You don't live in here.
What do you think about 20,000 innocent children are died in Gaza? What do you think about?
It's not because of the army in Israel, it's because of Hamas. Hamas killed them, not our army. Our army doesn't wanted to bring food and stuff because Hamas, all the food and stuff we brought to the Gaza people, Hamas took them. תודה, זה גרוע אבל. Hamas took all of the food and the kids died because there is no food in their home, but it wasn't because of us. It was because of Hamas. Hamas is the problem, not Israel, not the kids in Gaza. Hamas.
And you are not.
And
you
this
think
is,
you are
they
not
kill
bombing
us. Why you not understand this? They kill us.
Okay. Let me finish. You think you are not bombing in Gaza?
We are.
Okay, if you are bombing.
Wait. What did you say?
You are Israel bombing in Gaza, right?
No. You're taking it the wrong way. We are bombing Hamas places, not houses in Gaza. Like houses, there is family in the house.
No.
I don't know how to explain it, but our army and our government doesn't want that innocent people will get hurt. Well, Hamas is just Israel is the only country in the whole world that is a Jewish country, and Hamas doesn't want us, but we only have one country, so I don't understand why everyone hates us, and we don't want to harm anyone. We just want to live in a safe country, in our safe country. Yeah. And it doesn't supposed to be something that everyone hates us just because we're Jews.
No, no,
Just
no.
because
It's not
just
true.
because just because we live, because if we were live like next to United States, like next to America, they won't do anything to us because they want more space to live in. But we only have one country, so we want our space to be ours and not other people. They hate us because we are Jewish. Yes.
I think it's not
You don't
true.
understand this.
No, no, you are Jew. It's not a problem.
No, this is problem. For them, for Hamas, it is problem. You don't understand. I understand because I live here. I know what מה קרה? Okay, I will. Okay, just hear me. Okay, you if you want to know what is happening in Israel, just come here. I'm telling you, everything they say on the news most of the times ain't true. They are lying. They are manipulative. How do you say it? Manipulative. מניפולציות כאילו.
Manipulate.
Can yes. And like for example, and then no, not for example, and the Gaza people. Yes, okay. They're Gaza people that doesn't, and then they're faking things to the news, and that's what you see. But it ain't true. They're faking it. And for example, now we're in war with Iran, but we love Iran's people. We want them to be free, and that's why we're trying to defend them and take over the bad government and put in good government so women can be free and wasn't and we don't have to put the hijab, and we're just trying to be to our neighbor country to be safe for them and the fun and not bad.
If you like Irani people, why you don't want to stop war?
To what? We want. Just but they don't want. They okay can איך קוראים לזה? bombing us. Yeah. You don't just understand. Can just in our country less rockets fall because we have a like the חץ מגן קוראים לזה. It's called כיפת ברזל that keeps us safe, but we do want for the war to end, but we must first make sure that Iran's people are safe in a safe government. But every time we're trying to kill the bad government, another bad government comes. Do you understand?
So, your government killed the Iran supreme leader Ayatollah Khamenei. What do you think about?
Yes. מה הוא אמר? הוא אמר שהרגנו את חמינאי. Yes, because Khamenei is bad for the people in Iran. He doesn't let תגידי לו שזה היה בטעות, לא התכוונו. The Khamenei, he was bad, so we wanted to kill him. So the people in Iran will be safe because it was bad and making girls wear hijab and not letting them go to work and do simple stuff. And it wasn't fair. You know what it is? Also, boys, didn't you see the videos on TikTok of couples who took off their hijab, girls who took off their hijab and was like happy?
If Iranian girl wear hijab, do you have any issue?
No, we don't have a issue with hijab. We have an issue with the bad government. I don't care if you wear hijab or not wearing hijab. I have a problem if someone doesn't want to wear hijab and the government wouldn't let him. Think about like that. Think about you want to wear blue shirt, but the government doesn't let you wear blue shirt. So you are sad because you doesn't want to wear a red short or green short. You want to wear blue short. And we don't care if you're wearing hijab or not wearing hijab. We care for you to wear whatever you want and doesn't have to wear what other people wants you to wear, like the government wants what the government wants Iran girls to wear hijab, and some of them doesn't want to, but they have to because if you don't wear hijab in Iran, you die.
Okay. And how old are you? Your English is very good. How you learn English?
Thank you. And we're 13 and 13 also.
You are 13?
Because
Yes,
she's smart. We are people, the people Israel, they smart.
Jewish people are smart.
Okay.
Yeah.
So beauty with brain.
Ah, thank you.
You are friend or sister?
What?
We are
Friends.
friends.
Friend.
We are a sister. Seriously.
You look like, but I like your curly hair.
אחותי.
Wow. את השיער.
Thank you.
Don't listen to the news. If you wanna know something or check something, check it in real places, like not in the news, because a lot of times in the news people tell lies. For example, they told in the news that Bibi died, but Bibi didn't die. He's alive.
Okay. If I want to go Israel, your government accept me? Because I'm a Muslim.
Yes.
Because I'm a Muslim.
No, we don't care what is your religion if you want to fly. If you want to go, we don't want immigrant, but if you want to go to a vacation in Israel, you can come to a vacation in Israel. It's the religion you believe in doesn't make you to don't come to the country. You can't live here because we don't want immigrant, but you can come to a vacation.
If I go Israel, I feel safe.
Right now, I don't think so because of all of the rockets from Iran. But when the war will end, you will be really fun in Israel to go to Eilat and Kinneret, Tel Aviv, and the people here are really nice.
Salem.
Yes.
So, how's the condition in Tel Aviv right now?
Tel Aviv, a lot of building destroyed and not a lot of it, but it doesn't really safe right now because you will need to go to the mamad all the time to keep you safe from rockets. But after the war will end, you can come here. Came, come.
Okay. You think war is stop?
Nauma.
After Pesach, the war will end, but I don't know for sure.